Top 5 Best Landscape Speakers. Number 5. JBL Professional Control 85M. The JBL Professional Control 85M is an outdoor speaker designed to bring high-quality, weather-resistant sound to your space. With a 5.25-inch coaxial driver and a 2-inch weather-resistant tweeter, it delivers impressive sound with a broad frequency range, 55 Hz to 18 kHz. Its rugged polyethylene enclosure is made to withstand the harshest climates, from lawnmowers to extreme weather, while maintaining its vibrant green color even when scratched. Ideal for a variety of outdoor settings, think backyard patios, sports venues, or resorts, these speakers offer full 360-degree sound, ensuring the music reaches every corner. With an 80-watt power handling and the flexibility of a 30-watt 70-volt 100-volt multi-tap transformer, they can handle installations that require a large array of speakers. Pair them with JBL Outdoor Subwoofer. One reviewer notes that they need 70% of the volume 140-watt amplifier just to get them moving. Though once you find the sweet spot, they provide excellent sound quality. The speaker tilt and spikes are highly praised for ensuring the speakers stay in place. While the setup is heavy, it's easy to install, and the sound quality remains impressive even after prolonged. Coming in number 4. OSD Audio Forza 6 Landscape Kit. The OSD Audio Forza 6 Landscape Kit is a robust outdoor solution designed for high-ceiling spaces where traditional mounting can be tricky. With a 6.5-inch polypropylene woofer and a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, these hanging pendant speakers deliver a wide 120-degree sound coverage, making them ideal for commercial spaces like malls, restaurants, and museums, or large residential setups. Built to withstand the elements, the speakers are IP66 rated for weather resistance, handling dirt, dust, and sprinklers with ease. The included step-down transformers allowing for flexible installation. Setting up the speakers is straightforward thanks to easily movable connectors and the ability to daisy-chain multiple. Sound quality is solid for the price, clear and decent for most outdoor environments. While they won't blow anyone away with bass, a subwoofer is essential, they provide more than enough clarity for casual listening around the patio or yard. However, some users have noted that the outer material could be more scratch-resistant, and the speaker terminal screws can strip easily, which is a minor setback during installation. For the cost, these speakers are a reliable choice, coming in number 3. Furrion Aurora Veranda Series. The Furrion Aurora Veranda Series is an all-in-one landscape speaker system designed to bring premium audio to your outdoor spaces. This complete system includes 4 speakers, a DVC subwoofer, ground stakes, and gel-filled wire nuts, ensuring everything you need for a high-performance audio setup is at your fingertips. Built for the elements, the system features weatherproof construction with polypropylene cones and rubber surrounds, while the ASA material with a fade-resistant fluorocarbon textured finish offers maximum UV protection, ensuring long-lasting durability through all seasons. Withstanding temperatures from 9 to 15 degrees to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, this system is engineered for year-round outdoor use. The sound quality is excellent, cutting through ambient noise with a well-balanced output and even coverage, ensuring there are no dead spots. Whether it's for a quiet evening in the yard or a lively outdoor gathering, the multi-mount functionality allows for versatile placement. Mount the speakers on a deck, in landscaping, or even on trees with the included or separately sold mounting brackets. The subwoofer can be mounted in-ground, above ground, or on a deck for customized audio placement. Expandable to include more satellite speakers and subwoofers, this system is perfect for those looking to build out an immersive outdoor audio experience. Coming in number 2. OSD Audio 8-inch Outdoor Subwoofer. The OSD Audio 8-inch Outdoor Subwoofer adds that extra punch to any outdoor sound system, especially if you're looking to elevate your patio or backyard setup. As a passive, non-powered subwoofer, it doesn't require an electrical outlet, which means it won't produce the heavy, active 12-inch subwoofer bass you're used to inside your home. However, it compensates with a tight musical bass that fills outdoor spaces nicely. Installation is straightforward, with clear wiring diagrams included. The subwoofer is designed to be in-ground, but it can also be placed above ground on pavers, as many users have found. While it doesn't offer the deep bass some might expect at first, Once it's dialed in with the right amplifier, it provides a fuller, more complete sound with noticeable depth. Despite some initial issues with rattling due to loose internal screws, which were easily fixed, the subwoofer's performance remains solid. A fixed crossover at 120 Hz is ideal for pairing with full-range speakers, but some users have modded the crossover to suit their setups better. The bass can sometimes break or feel a bit less crisp on heavy bass tracks, likely due to its sealed design. However, for most outdoor settings, this subwoofer significantly enhances the sound experience, especially when placed correctly and paired with quality outdoor speakers. Coming in number 1, JBL Professional GSF3GN. The JBL Professional GSF3GN speakers are built for outdoor sound that stands up to the elements and delivers clear, high-quality audio. These compact 3-inch woofer speakers boast a 20mm titanium dome tweeter with a neodymium magnet for excellent clarity, handling frequencies from 74 Hz to 20 kHz. The design is IP66 rated, meaning they're fully protected against water and dust, perfect for sprinklers, rain, and dust-heavy environments. Additionally, the bottom drip hole ensures proper drainage for the drivers, preventing water buildup. These speakers feature a multi-tap 15-watt transformer with a tap selector, offering flexibility for both 8 ohms direct operation or use in 70 volts 100 volts distributed systems. They're designed to be easily aimable with an adjustable hinge and can be mounted on the ground with included stakes or on surfaces with the L bracket. Sound-wise, they offer a good balance of clarity and bass, especially outdoors, where they can get quite loud without distortion, if you stay within the proper amplifier settings. Some users find they require a bit more power than expected, but once the volume reaches the sweet spot, the sound is excellent. They blend well with garden plants, making them a subtle yet powerful addition to any outdoor space. The only drawback noted is a potential issue with the power adjustment knob, which some units had difficulty adjusting due to a factory defect, but replacements resolved the issue. Overall, the JBL GSF3GN speakers are a durable, high-performing option for outdoor audio, with the added benefit of JBL's trusted sound quality.